Hello Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I wanted to unbox these clay supplies from one of the Polymer clay people that I follow on Facebook. So, let's begin! This came from my friend Buffy. I hope you like the cutters and earrings rack. I am not perfect with 3D prints, but they are fun and I hope they help you create beautiful pieces. Thank you so much, Buffy, for your thoughtfulness. She was telling me that she did this because her husband gifted her with a 3D printer, a very lucky woman, and she was able to create all of these cutters. Wow! Whoa! Look at that! And yeah, I'm so grateful because I never really expect these things, and it's always very nice to, be able to, be reminded of the kindness of other people. And I'm sure she didn't really expect anything from me also. And she made me this as a guide for how to assemble these. And oh wow! She also sent me some stencils of really small prints, which are so nice. I'm blown away and I don't know how to, give back her kindness, but these are awesome and yeah, we're very thankful for these. So she also gave me these so that I could emboss, some images and then maybe paint on them after, or like fill them with something. And she also sent me these, so many different styles. Wow, these are amazing. And she actually told me that she put a lot of different designs on this, so we'll find out the other designs that she was able to create with her cutter. These are really nice. Oh, I love this. It's like a cappuccino cup with some whipped cream on top. And then, I need these. These are like micro cutters for leaves because I actually have a hard time doing those tiny leaves. Thank you so much, Buffy. This is going to have a lot of use from me. Moon shapes. And then, I think these are like tiny dinosaurs. So cute. And then we have, I have to figure out some of them. I have to stamp them on something so that I can see the image. I think this is the llama that she was talking about. So I'd have to stamp it first to find out. So later on in the video, I'll show you how it looks like when I stamp these so that you can see like how tiny these are. Oh, I love this also. I can make a lot of things with this. And then finally, she also inserted some purse hangers. And I think I can really like put in some clay slabs here and decorate this. So again, thank you so much, Buffy. She's from the States and I know it really is a bit of an effort to send something to our country. So I'm really appreciative. Mermaid tails. Love this. Okay, so let's see what we can do with this. Stick around.
Let's start things off by cleaning our work area. I use a glass mat, so I clean it by spraying it with some alcohol and wiping it down. I've chosen what cutter I wanted to experiment with, and it's the cute llama cutter. Next, I got some pink clay and rolled it out into the number 2 setting. I noticed that the llama cutter had debossed parts. When using cutters with debossed parts, you will need to roll your clay into a thicker setting in order for the design to turn out. Some artists don't necessarily like using cutters because they feel like when they do something, their work will look like everyone else's. But I'm not shy about using cutters because you can still add your own personal touch to them. In this case, I took out some mica in a blush color and dusted my clay llama. Then I tried out a flower silicone mold to place near the ear of the llama. I pressed the clay onto the mold and cleaned up the excess clay using the tissue blade. I also tried a ribbon mold and thought that it looked a lot cuter, so I'm going with the ribbon. Next, I decided to texture the llama's fur. But since I didn't want to put any texture on the face part, I just punched a piece of sandpaper and glued it to the end of a pen, which I then used as a tool to texture the llama's fur. Then I got some liquid Sculpey and placed a bit of it at the back of the ribbons and stuck it onto the llama. And finally, I placed eye pins and then cleaned the edges before popping these llamas into the oven for baking. These are the results of my llama molds. The first one I did with hardly any customization, and the second one with the ribbons and the texture. I'm also sharing with you some of the other earrings that I've made using the cutters that I got gifted with. There's definitely room to customize to make your creations your own. So thank you again, Buffy, for making these for me, and I hope that you guys enjoyed unboxing all of these new cutters, and I hope that you watch out for what I will do with the rest of them. Thank you for stopping by and have a crafty weekend, everyone. Bye!